Guys, do you want to know how these cigars are made? Stay tuned for this video. We'll show you how these cigars were made. Look how nice and well done. Let's get into the video. Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we are in Dominican Republic, Boca Chica, and we came up with this brother and he will show us how he make his cigars. The first thing that got my attention is the device that is used to wrap the cigars with. You see, after he wrapped the cigars, he put it in a mold. And there's something that he will do next in the video that I didn't see others people or cigar makers do it. Guys, for premium cigars here in the Dominican Republic, there are three key types of tobacco grown in the country. The three are olor, that means smell, San Vicente, and the Cuban Pilot. There are other tobacco types such as Oriental, Burley, and Virginia that grows in Brazil, Argentina, China, Mozambique, the US, Spain, and others countries. The cigars here in the Dominican Republic has a particular spicy taste that you don't feel in other cigars. Guys, as you see, this is an easy way to wrap a cigar. You see, he wrap it, he cut it, and he put it in the mold. Easy as that. The cigar lovers or the cigar experts, let me know below in the comment section what you think about this type of wrapping or this type of making the cigars. I really would like to know more about this. He used a mix of different types of tobacco to wrap his cigars with. Guys, if you like to purchase some cigars from him, I will leave his phone number in the descriptions. Guys, like I told you before, now he's showing you. Look, he mixed them up and then he wrapped it. Look, there's a mix of different types and then wrap. Guys, that is what I didn't see others do. put all the molds in that machine, as you see, and then you put some pressure on them. He leaves it for 20 to 30 minutes and then takes them out. In the molds, he leaves the cigars till the next day.
Y esto tú lo pones en el sol para que se seque.
Sí, ya para que se seque.
Yes guys, we are on the next day.
Sí, que lo redondea, lo moldea.
He left the cigars rest in the mold till the next day.
This is the second day.
Now he's doing the final touch. As you see, he's not using the device anymore, the wrapper device. Now he's doing it by hand.
¿Eso qué es? Es
una pega natural.
Final product.
perfect.
Please guys, let me know in the comment section how you guys found this.
Yeah. Fuerte. Ya Agustina no te das cuenta. Tengo horas atrás de ti ahí.
No, es que tú eres demasiado grande. ¿Cómo yo voy a ver un hombre tan grande detrás de mí?
Tengo tiempo ahí parado. Desde que antes de empezar otro trabajo. Estoy yo parado hasta eso. ¿Qué calor que está haciendo? Soy yo que estoy sintiendo el calor.